I didn't want to get yelled at.
He's like... Over here.
Wow. I love it. It looks excellent. You look amazing. Love you. It's beautiful. You look awesome. I like the detail. It's beautiful. Great choice. Looks great.
Thank you. Love
you. You go first.
All right. Parker, you are the love of my life, and because of that, I'm going to avoid using any nicknames for you right now, in this moment. When we first started dating, I knew that this would be something special, and I knew that because of who you are. You're funny, smart, even if you like to deny that you are. You're hardworking, caring, sweet, committed, and loyal. You never fail to bring happiness and joy to me, Parker, and I thank you for that. You are a man who I respect, adore, and love, and I'm so happy we found each other, and I'm very excited for our future together. Love you.
Meera, the day we have been looking forward to and working towards for so long now is finally here. I'm filled with gratitude. I've found my person. You have brought countless moments of joy, fun, and laughter into my life in the last 4 years. You look stunning today, and I am beside myself at my dumb luck. Your kindness, caring nature, intellect, and wit are some of my favorite things about you, and they're what drew my attention to you when we first met back in Durham. I promise to continue to laugh with you, and I promise to love you today and tomorrow. We're surrounded by our family and closest friends, all who made significant sacrifices to be here to celebrate us. We have to cherish this moment. I can't wait to have an incredible night with you. I love you. Let's go be great together.
Love you. That was nice.
Love you.
Good afternoon and welcome to this extremely special occasion. The wedding of two of the best people that I know, Meera and Parker Fitzgerald.
Love is knowing that even when you're alone, you'll never be lonely again. And great happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved. Loved for ourselves and even loved in spite of ourselves.
I, Meera, take you, Parker, to be my partner, loving what I know of you, and trusting what I do not yet know. I promise to love and cherish you through whatever life may bring us.
I, Parker, take you, Meera, to be my partner, loving what I know of you and trusting what I do not yet know. I promise to love and cherish you through whatever life may bring us.
By the power vested in me by the state of Minnesota, I now pronounce you married. You may kiss. Presenting for the very first time as a wedded couple, Meera Goswitz and Parker Fitzgerald.
Stay up all night, wait till the morning light. Do what we wanna do, not what they taught us to. Run till the sidewalk ends, dive till we got the bend. Do what we wanna do, I know we'll make it through. We got soul, we don't need them. Hearts of gold, need no reason. Run into the night, you and I. Take my hand, we'll keep dreaming. Drive all night, chase the feeling. All I need in life is you and I. 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 You and I.
Meera, we're proud of you for who you are and the choices you've made in your life. And there is no doubt that the best choice you've made is deciding to marry the guy sitting next to you.
So Parker and Meera, what a great couple you guys are. You're kind to each other. You work well together.
We are so happy that you have chosen each other.
So let's raise our glasses in a toast for Meera and Parker for a long and wonderful life together. Good luck, guys.
Not only has Meera found someone good enough for her, but she has found her equal, her best friend, and the perfect partner to spend the rest of her life with. So with that, I'd like to raise a glass to Meera and Parker. I cannot wait to see the future you two build together. I know it will be nothing short of spectacular. I love you both. Cheers.
So Meera, you already know all of this, but in Parker, you're getting a man who will check in on you, your family, and your loved ones. And a partner who will do his best to make sure you've always got a safe place in him. Parker, thank you for checking in. I love you. Meera, I love you. I love you better together. Cheers to the happy couple.